In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and can significantly impact how you present your business to clients. Having a personalized invoice not only showcases your brand, but also ensures that your billing aligns with your business identity. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface, where you'll find a small gear icon. This gear icon is your command center for accessing various settings and customization options within QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked the gear icon, the next step is to look for the option titled Custom Form Styles. This section is where you manage your form templates, including invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. So, give that option a click, and we can move forward in creating your new template. Now that you are in the Custom Form Styles section, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen once again. Here, you'll find a button labeled New Style. Clicking on this button is like opening a blank canvas for your new invoice design. In the drop-down menu presented, select Invoice, as our focus today is creating a custom invoice template. With your new template now open, it's time to unleash your creativity. This is where you can start designing and editing the content of your invoice template to truly make it your own. Whether you want to incorporate your logo, choose a color scheme that matches your brand, or adjust font styles, the design options available will allow you to customize the template to suit your preferences. You can also decide on what information to include, such as payment terms, customer messages, or service/product details. This tailoring ensures that each invoice you send is not only functional, but also reflects your professional image. As you make these adjustments, QuickBooks provides a live preview, allowing you to see exactly how your changes will appear on the final invoice. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that everything looks exactly how you envision it before finalizing the design. After you're satisfied with the modifications and your invoice template looks just the way you want it, the last step is to confirm your changes. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on Done. By clicking this, you are saving your new custom invoice template, and it will be ready for use the next time you need to bill a client. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. This personalized touch not only enhances your business professionalism, but also helps forge a more cohesive brand identity through the communications you send to your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.